Hi everyone, I'm Akila. In this video, let us download and install the Power BI desktop. In Google, I'm searching Microsoft Power BI desktop download. So I'm interested to download from Microsoft website. See Microsoft Power BI desktop. Yeah, I'm clicking download. Mine is 64-bit, so I'm selecting this, download. The download is done. Before installing, let me show you the version which we have downloaded. It is April 15, 2024 release, the latest release. And you can see your system requirements before you follow this installation steps. So mine is Windows 10, so with 64-bit. So I just going ahead. Double click this .exe. Selecting the language English. Next. Next, I'm accepting the license terms. Yes, I want to install on the C program files. Let me create a shortcut. Give it some time to copy the new files and setup. The setup installation is done. Click finish. So it is opening the desktop application in my system. Now I can input any data and build Power BI report, log into my Microsoft Power BI service account, and publish the reports to share with others. Here you can open the existing files or intro. You can just go through this recommended one, or if you want the new report, then just we are into the Power BI desktop application page. Okay. Hope this is useful. Thank you.